Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to be preparing chicken wings. For our recipe we have 3 bell peppers, 1 onion, 2 scotch bonnet peppers, tomatoes, ketchup, adobo, old bay seasoning, chicken powder, paprika, all-purpose seasoning, and an added Maggi as well. So then I will mix everything together and start seasoning my chicken. I'm going to be mixing everything together. I'll make sure I mix it very well in order to prevent some part of the chicken having salt, because there's salt in the seasoning. So I'm now going to bake it in my air fryer for 20 minutes on 180 degrees. At this point, I'm going to be mixing the ketchup and some honey together, and I'll be spreading it on the both sides of the chicken. So this is the chicken already cooked for 20 minutes. I'm going to be spreading the ketchup and onion on it, and I'll be putting it back in the air fryer for 5 minutes. So guys, this is it. The chicken is ready. Look how beautiful it is. This chicken is beautiful, guys. You can just even eat it like this if you wish to. Just sit down with your glass of wine or whatever you're doing and watch your TV and enjoy this chicken just the way it is. So, but I'm going to be frying the vegetable for garnishing. To be heating the oil up for 2 minutes, then fry the onions. Make sure you always stir your onions. This is to prevent it from burning. So I'm going to be adding the Scotch bonnet pepper. I'll be adding the bell peppers as well. And some chopped spring onions. So I'll now combine everything together. I'm not going to be seasoning it because there's seasoning already in the chicken. Then the chicken, then mix everything together. Guys, my chicken is ready to go. If you have a glass of wine, come and let's enjoy this together. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, and share. And hit that notification bell so that you'll be the first person to know whenever I upload any new video. See you on my next video. Thanks. Bye.